Alright, so in this class we are going to learn wie kann man sich vorstellen. Okay, that means how can one introduce themselves in German language. So I am going to show you how we can introduce ourselves in German language, which is called sich vorstellen. Okay, so zum Beispiel, for example, if you want to say that I am Anjali, so I'm going to say Ich bin Anjali, which means I am Anjali. Okay, and the next way we can say that is Ich heiße Anjali. So there are many ways that we can introduce ourselves. So this is the second way. So we can say Ich heiße Anjali. That means I am called Anjali. Okay. And there's one more way that we can say that we can tell our name in, which is mein Name is Anjali, which means my name is Anjali. So now you can tell your name and you can introduce yourself in German. Okay, this is very easy. Do try it out with your name and tell, and you can introduce yourself in German. Okay, so that is it.